Ladies and gentlemen, my dear friends, let's have a huge round of applause for the very stunning coming back once again on stage.
उधर आ जाओ उधर। ईमानदारी से कुछ नहीं होगा।
That calls for a wonderful photo. जोरदार तालियां हो जाए दोस्तों, come on everybody. Let's hear it for Neetu ji.
सामने नीतू मैम यार और एक यार थैंक यू
नहीं चुप नहीं है, come on everybody. Let's hear it louder. Come on. Thank you.
Now again, you'll just hear the roar. Just see. India's most wanted healthcare institute in offer.
Congratulations, Anushka ji, and welcome. तालियां बजाने की जरूरत ही नहीं पड़ी. बजाते रहो.
Now we have India's most wanted fashion designing institute, and who other than is other than JD Institute of Fashion Technology. And to do the honors,
All together, of course. इसी खुशी में जोरदार तालियां हो जाए दोस्तों. Come on everybody. Thank you. Congratulations. Let's have a huge round of applause for none other than Dr. Rajiv Mishra on behalf of A-Star Academy. Sayed ji, assalamu alaikum. First time we have लोग एक ही प्लेटफॉर्म में मिल रहे हैं. Good to see you. बिल्कुल इंशाल्लाह. Let's have it this the very beautiful, stunning Neetu ji once again. Let's hear it for the very stunning Neetu Chandraji and of course Syed Sarji. And congratulations, of course.
we have an award for Pan India Rising Star Fashion Choreographer who has been with us for quite some time now, none other than Jeet Gan. We now acknowledge a mentor who shapes confidence, precision and stage presence. So
Let's hear it for the very talented Jeet Gaun. Congratulations, Jeet.
सर एक बार सेंटर में देखिए आप
जो जीत के नहीं जाएंगे लेकिन वो सीख के जाएंगे और अगले लेकिन मेरे नजर में आप सबकी नजर में ये सारे विजेता हैं. It takes a lot of guts to be here. Alright. So दिल काम कर रही है क्योंकि दिविशा को
So
award
this is
देने
for
वाली
the JOI Juniors of India Awards.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some modestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable.
Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
Ma'am has not heard you. So once you receive the award, one line गाना. अच्छा, एक लाइन सुनिए थे शो मैम. मिले हो तुम हमको बड़े नसीबों से, चुराया है मैंने किस्मत की लकीरों से. मिले हो तुम हमको बड़े नसीबों से, चुराया है मैंने किस्मत की लकीरों से. तेरी मोहब्बत से सांसें मिली है, सदा रहना दिल में करीब होके. मिले हो तुम हमको बड़े नसीबों से, चुराया है मैंने किस्मत की लकीरों से.
Thank you so much.
So with this you get the award. Congratulations, Om. Let's hear it for the very talented Om Biswas. Jodar taali ho jaye. Come on everybody.
So now we have
Let's hear it for Ritik. Ritik ने बहुत ही बेहतरीन गाना भी गाया, बहुत ही बेहतरीन परफॉर्म भी किया. He's multi-talented. Ritik, congratulations. Very well performed.
सर हटो सामने से। अरे आप सामने से हटो।
Let's hear it for Mrs. Taposhi, of course. Zoda Taali ho jaye, congratulations. MMI 25, the perfect lady. मैंने कहा था ना जब वो डांस कर रही थी ना वो लग रहा था वो अपने ही डांस पे वो प्रेम में मगन हो गई। She loved herself, her own performance. She didn't care कौन देख रहा है नहीं देख रहा है. Loved her performance. अंशिका बहुत बहुत बधाई हो आपको. Let's have a huge round of applause for Anshika Singh, all the way from Prayagraj, Uttar Pradesh.
अरे ऐसा ना हाँ वीडियो कैसे देते हो कुछ इसको विशाल को विशाल कार्ड ले ले
Congratulations, Anshika.
कार्ड एक्सेस
Now we have the award for one.
The most versatile lady, Zoda Taali ho jaye. Come on, everyone. आप सब सो गए. अभी ये फिनाले चल रहा है. Please, अभी तो जागने का टाइम है. जब जागो तभी सवेरा. तब तालियां बजा लीजिए. Come on, everyone. Amazing talent. Very, very well performed. Very, very well participated. Very good. Most talented lady. Let's hear it for Miss Asmi Roy. Come on, everyone. The most talented lady. Congratulations, Asmi. Hello, कैसे हैं आप सब?
मैं स्टार्ट करने से कुछ छोटी सी चिड़िया है ना वो चिड़िया कैसे बोलेगी मैम जैसे हमें मोर आ जाए मोर कैसे बोलते हैं? अब जैसे छोटा बच्चा जब जन्म लेता है वो क्यों क्यों रोता है वो बच्चे की रोने के बाद 3 आवाजें हैं देखिए जब छोटा बच्चा जब लेता है क्यों क्यों रो रहा है जी और उसने देखिए जब बच्चे को बॉडी मसाज होती है मतलब जो माँ रहती है बहुत तेज डांट देती है बच्चे को जब बच्चे को रोते रहती है जब बच्चे की सांस रुक जाती है अच्छा हमारा फोन आ जाता है एम्बुलेंस में 2 आवाजें से पेशेंट सीरियस रहता है नॉर्मल सर्विस के लिए और पेशेंट ठीक हो जाता है घर वापस आता है तो उसकी जो आवाज आती है एम्बुलेंस की आवाज देखिए चेंज हो जाता है
Thank you so much, क्या बात है
A real entertainer. So big round of clap for Vivek.
विवेक, बेहतरीन versatile voice over big part. This is excellent. बहुत बहुत बढ़िया. अलग-अलग 30 किस्म के voices निकाले. अभी तो 5-6 निकाले. So talented. Everybody, please put your hands together for the third runners-up from the MMI Pan India Presents Miss India Category 2025, Miss Srija Ganguly. Zoda Taali ho jaye. Come on, everybody. Many, many congratulations, Srija. Anek Shubhechha. God
So we
bless you.
missed out with the most beautiful.
Let's hear it for the very beautiful, the most beautiful face, Miss Aishani Majumdar. Come on, everybody. Congratulations once again. For the Pan India presents Miss India 2025. Second runners up goes to Miss Nilanjana Sarkar. Congratulations. Let's hear it loud for Nilanjana Sarkar. Come on, everybody.
The second runner goes to Miss Nilanjana Sarkar.
Up for the Mrs. India 2025 category. Congratulations, Anita. She performed well, she danced well, and she also anchors very well. Bhanu, very nice. Very, very congratulations. Looks stunning.
Can we call upon Mr. JD from Saja Entertainment to do the next honor, please, on stage? Mr. JD from Saja Entertainment. We're also in the music industry, producing music, and who knows, from any one of you, you be one of the Now we have the first runner-up.
India, first runner-up, Miss India 2025. Congratulations. यहाँ सिर्फ नीतू मैम ताली बजा रही है. What about you guys? Come on, everyone. Let's hear a huge round of applause. So the first runner-up from the Miss category of Miss India 2025 brought to you by Pan India Group goes to Gautami Gill. And let's hear it for Miss Gautami. Congratulations!
She is from Telangana, yeah.
Unique.
शंकर के साथ जो लड़की आती है उसकी तरह लग रही है ना? हैं? वही है क्या?
Many, many congratulations. Let's hear it for the lady, the winner of Pan India Group presents Mrs. India 2025. It's all about Nalu. Come on, everybody.
So now we have the winner for the teen category. And the winner of the teen category
अरे ओ भाई पीछे रहो यार.
So now we have the winner for the
Ladies and gentlemen, everybody, please put our hands together for this amazing beauty out here. Candidate who presents Miss India 2025, Ms. Darshika Mazumdar. Now let's wait for amazing photo.
The team category winner goes to Adrika Ghosh.
Let's hear it for Ms. Adrika Ghosh. Congratulations. From the team category, Raina who presents Miss India from the team category 2025 goes to Ms. Adrika Ghosh. जोरदार तालियां हो जाए, come on everyone. रानू की गजराट सुनाई नहीं थी. Let's hear it loud and come on. Congratulations, Adrika.
क्या है ये बहुत ही रेयर है, बहुत ही यूनिक है और ये ऐसा मतलब कॉम्पिटिशन नहीं बोलूँगी, ऐसा पेजेंट है जो सबको बहुत कॉन्फिडेंस देगा बिकॉज देयर इज नो एज बैरियर राइट. The whole entire team is from Calcutta Reserve and they are doing it here at the perfection state. सारे पूरा शो हुआ है and I'm very proud कि आपने इतने लोगों को लड़कियों को मौका दिया है and congratulations and over to Dr. Gautam. You must great and I'm sure Dr. Gautam can explain every step he has done for so many years. So over to Dr. Gautam, congratulations and take your leave. Thank you so much guys. I'll see you soon.
So this is being organized by Pan India program. We will be doing it for Miss and Mrs. India 2026 next year and then Miss and Mrs. India. Any other questions?
ये तो कम हो गया तो इसको सेंटर में आना पड़ेगा.
जरूर देखिए एक एग्जांपल है मैम सी हैज कम अप नेशनल एंड इंटरनेशनल सेलिब्रिटी राइट सी वाज देयर फ्रॉम बिहार एंड नाउ सी इज रिप्रेजेंटिंग अभी कुछ देर पहले मैं देख रहा था कपिल सिब्बल इनॉग्रेशन में सी वाज पार्ट सो दैट itself confidence that everyone has India is great. Thank you so much.
Look in the camera. Please look in the camera. कैमरा में देखिए। कहीं और देखिए तो कुछ कर लेंगे आप।
वो नहीं आ रहे पूछो ना, वो नहीं आ रहे।
इस बुलेटिन में फिलहाल इतना ही। आप देखते रहिए सिने आजकल न्यूज। नमस्कार।